Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is October 25th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be October 26th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we did have a nice little bit of a move down in the morning during the US session. And then we started to climb right back up. You can see we got as high as these 45, 74, 75s. And then you can see we're starting to gradually try to pull back down. So my first area of interest is going to be somewhere around these 45, 61, 75s. Let's see if we can actually get there. There may be a little bit of a micro area here that happens to be support right here at these 45, 66, 25. So right between that area is going to be my area of support. Looking for the market to come down here and then bounce off that area and continue bullish from there. Again, I got a large target up above 4,700. So I do think we will end up continuing to climb on S&P, trying to target that level and maybe a little bit higher. But a little bit of closer area is going to be somewhere around these 80s, 90s, and then 4600s. So we'll see if we continue this bullish move. Now, if we don't hold that support at 61.75, look for the market to come down maybe a little bit deeper to these 51.75s, maybe get a bounce from there. And if not from there, for it to come out into these 41.25s, and then 45.30 is the next level of support underneath, with a bigger one at 45.15.50. So we'll see if the market gets down to those areas and we catch some support. For those who want to fade right now, these 45.74, 75s are going to be the area of resistance, but it's going to be pretty risky given that this is a strong bullish move to the upside. But again, that could be your area that you're looking for if you continue to stay below those 74, 75s. That is going to be the resistance. Let's take a look at a smaller chart. So pulling this over into S&P 500 on this smaller chart, you can see gradually trying to pull down a little bit here. So we'll see if the market actually gives us a little bit of a pullback to reject and then come down further, or if it just comes right back down into our area of 61.75 and then catches that bounce. Again, below that for me is going to be these 51.75s, and then below the 51.75, 41.25 is the next level of support down below. So we'll see what happens there. But with that, let's go ahead and move over into gold. Let's see what's happening here on gold as well. So pulling over chart on gold, we did have a nice movement to the upside. You can see we're gradually trying to pull down. Support area comes between 1803.9 with a lower support at 1801.6. So we'll see if we bounce off of one of these two areas, either here for an upside move or here for an upside move. Now, if we collapse below these 1801.6s, this could actually pull down, give us a nice rejection, and then give us an opportunity to sell that or to get short down into 1796.2, and then 1787.9 is the next level of support down below. Let's go ahead and move over into a smaller chart here. Take a look at a closer view here on gold. So again, you can see slowly climbing into our level. Really want to see this get down into the first area, 1803.9. If we can't get below that, that's going to be our bounce of support. Below that though, 1801.6, that's where we're looking for some support as well. But again, you get below these 1801.6s, look for this to try to fall off into 1796.2, and then below that, trying to get down into those 1787.9s as the next level. So again, you want to make sure that you have an idea of where you're looking to try to trade long or short. That's where I do see the bulls and or the bears trying to come in to pull it down or to push it right back up. Let's move over into crude oil here. Let's take a look at what's happening here on crude oil. So crude oil did have some nice bounces and then pushed back up. Really couldn't get past these 85.29 to 85.30s. Nice little bit of a double top, and then we started to pull down. We did get down below into our support 83.52. That's where we started to bounce. A little bit of consolidation. Again, resistance above is 84.26. So a couple opportunities of trade here. We could look for the market to try to gradually pull up to these 26s. If we fail, look for it to come down into the mid area, which is right around these 83, 81s, and then below that into a main support, 83.52. Now again, if we continue to hold that bullish level right here. That's where we're looking for the long opportunities. If not, we can look for the support coming down at 83.12 and then below that 82.66. For those who want to continue this move down, again, that short happens somewhere around these 84.26s for a nice short opportunity to get it down below into our supports. So those are going to be your opportunities for the longs and the shorts on crude oil. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.